Hi guys, it's Julie here once again, but this time, same day, same outfit. I just have makeup on this time because I'm doing a haul and I rarely get to wear makeup, so I felt like it was appropriate. So this is like the only haul video. I will probably never do this again because I don't really shop like this. Um, but because this time of year we have a lot of sales going on, and we have a lot of like semi-annual sales. And so one of the sales is actually from Bath and Body Works, and I bought like so many stuff for like, yeah, I probably spent like $40 total, but I bought like $80 worth of stuff. So what I have, the first thing is this shower jelly. It's shower jelly poolside. It's really good. It smells like this one and the blue one. No, it got ruined. Oh well, look. It's chunky. It smells really good. So there's like the Lush ones, but I got it for $4. Yeah, $4 I got it for. But the price tag says 16.50 and it was 75% off. And then this other little body oil, this is also 16.50 and I got it for the same price as this. I only shopped in the 75% off section because 50% off is not good enough for me. That's not really that impressive for a sale. But this is the ginger and cardamom oil, body oil with olive oil, and it smells like really good. I love this one. This is really good. It's really sweet smelling. And then I have this pure white cotton scented candle. I really like the clean smells for like my room and stuff, but when it comes to the way I want to smell, like perfume and stuff, I really like candy, like girly type stuff. And this smells so nice. This smells so fresh. I love it a lot. This was $6. And this was probably like $2 or $3 because it was on sale for it was $12.50. That's its original price. And this is a shower gel and it's called Cabana Breeze, and it smells so good. They have this in in the shower jelly too, but I just needed one shower jelly because I wanted to try it from Lush, but you know Lush, everything is expensive there, so I have the shower gel. And then I have this other body wash that I just got today. And this is actually really cheap. It was $14.50. So this whole thing I got for like $3. And this is also ginger cardamom. It goes with this. So yeah, there's that. And I can't wait to use these things. Yeah, I've never bought so many products that were not food like this at one time. And then I have this body scrub. This is the lavender and sandalwood, and this smells so good. It smells amazing. It smells bomb. But the thing about this body scrub is that it's so oily. It's really oily. I don't see how this can be a cleansing thing. I could only see it as like a moisturizing thing. Like there's oil on my hands right now. So yeah. And then with the body scrub, I got this lavender and sandalwood oil, body oil, just like the other one. And this one was $16.50. Expensive AF, but I got it for $4. It's still kind of expensive for this little bottle. Should be like $2 or $3, but you know they'll do what they want to do. And then the last thing is this bergamot crystal soap. I tried it out at the store and it was really good. I'm trying to get the smell, but I don't want to pump any out. Whatever. But this is just some good soap. It smells good. I don't really remember what it smells like, but I know that it smells good because I bought it. So yeah, I got like major discounts, and the sale is supposed to go on until January 21st, or until products run out because they're not really shipping them in. So I think that it's a very nice sale. Even if you just want to get a few things, I think it's really good because you'll save yourself a lot of money. And if you need something, you should just get it. And yeah, they even have like little like hand sanitizer, not little hand sanitizer, but they have like body washes like these, but in like half sizes, and they're like $6, and they're still 75% off. So imagine how much, like $6 to like take away 75% of that, and then like that's so cheap, right? So yeah, that's just my first haul video, and my probably will be my last haul video unless I do go major shopping, which I probably will. But I don't like doing clothing hauls because I don't have a nice body. I don't have a good size. Anyway, that's it. So, peace, love, and kisses. Oh, notice how my lip gloss matches my sweater. This I got from Forever 21, by the way, and these lashes that you can barely see are from Elf. And I'm glad that they came out blurry like this, that it kind of, because they look so bad. Like, this is only like my second time putting on lashes by myself, so I'm glad that they turned out bad. Anyway, I got phone calls to make, so peace, love, and kisses.